Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my channel. My name is Preeti. So today we are going to see some important points of Girls Vardi, exam points of related to Girls Vardi. So let's start and see what we have. First question is what is the use of all those loft ideas that you can't live up to? Liberty, equality, democracy. See what comes of fighting for them. Where do these lines appear? ये पूछ रहा है ये सारी लाइनें कहाँ पे देखी गई हैं. तो ये गर्ल्स वर्दी का प्ले है, विंडोज में देखी गई है. हाउ वेस्टली वोमेन आर टू ईच अदर. वेयर डज दिस लाइन अपेयर? विंडोज. हाउ वेस्टली वोमेन आर टू ईच अदर. वेयर डज दिस लाइन्स अपेयर? ये हो गया विंडोज की है. There is nothing that gives more courage than to see the irony of things. There is nothing that gives more courage than to see the irony of things. Where does these lines appear? The Pigeon. Education is simply running is the lower classes. It unsettles them, and that's the worst for us all. I see an enormous difference in the manner of servants. Where do these lines appear? The silver box. The law is what it is, a majestic edifice, sheltering all of us, each stone of which resets on another. Where does these lines appear? ये हो गया जस्टिस. ये लाइन्स जस्टिस की हैं. गर्ल्स वर्दीज चीफ वेपन इज आयरनी एंड सटायर इज केप्ट वेल इन हैंड. केप्ट वेल इन हैंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा. Girls Vardi's tragedies are called social tragedies. Girls Vardi's tragedies are called social tragedies. John Galsworthy was the son of lawyer. Was the son of lawyer. Galsworthy began his literary career as a novelist. The Little Man, written by Galsworthy, is an one-act play. The Little Man, written by Galsworthy, is an one-act play. Loyalties crisscross each other is a dialogue in a play by Galsworthy. Loyalties crisscross each other is a dialogue in a play by Galsworthy. Next हमारा important point है. All the money goes to fellows who don't know a horse from a haystack. Loyalty comes before everything. A wife's memory is not very good when her husband is in danger. The law are some of the saying from loyalties. Galsworthy is scrupulously impartial. He never loads the dice. He diagnoses the disease rather than prescribes a remedy. But underneath the surface, detachment burns a vehement pity for the victims of circumstances. Whose comment is Lytton Hudson. He is the recipient of DSO. He commits suicide and loves a letter to Culford, who is Captain Ronald Dancy. Who is he? Captain Ronald Dancy. We all cut each other's throats from the best of motives. Where does it appear? Loyalties. Ibsen, who wrote Doll's House, was the predecessor of Galsworthy. He was Henrik Ibsen. It is not the artist's business to preach. His business is to portray. But portray truly he cannot if he is devoid of the insight which comes from instinctive sympathy. Galsworthy writes in another safe. ये किस में लिखा है उन्होंने? Another safe में. Let me have another safe. Let me have no temperament for the time being, only from an impersonal point of view. If there be such a thing, am I going to get even approximately at the truth? Who said? Galsworthy. A young woman kills her own illegitimate child to escape social tyranny. This happens in the play Windows. John Anthony is the chairman of the Tirantha Tin Palace work strife. Galsworthy is the chief exponent of problem plays. Which drama depicts the fights of an idealist against adverse social forces, the mob? So Max Forsyth, his wife Irene, and old Joylene are the characters of the Forsyth saga. Who belongs to the Galsworthy's ideas of drama can be found in his collection of essays entitled The Inn of Tranquility. The Inn of Tranquility. The Inn of Tranquility. Next हमारा which play deals with the inadequacy of the administration of justice and the attitude of different type of people towards an escaped prisoner. ये कौन से प्ले का लाइन्स है? ये है escape की. Stripe dramatizes a strike. Galsworthy's masterpiece is the Forsyth saga. Galsworthy was the son of lawyer. Was the son of lawyer. Forsyth saga is said to be an English parallel to Thomas Munn's Buddenbrooks. Awakening and Modern Comedy are the works of Galsworthy. The First and the Last, The Little Man, Hallmark, Defeat, The Sun, and Punch and Go are from the pen of Galsworthy's. These are short plays. The First and the Last, The Little Man, Hallmark, Defeat, The Sun, and the Punch and Go are the form the pen of Galsworthy's. These are short plays. So this is some important point related to exam, related to Galsworthy. If you like it, then keep on study. Thank you.